Grief doesn't follow a map, but here, in the heart of the woods, healing begins. Camp Kaniksu is Hospice of North Idaho's annual grief camp for children ages 6 to 16 who have experienced the loss of a loved one. Over the course of a 3-day experience, kids are surrounded by others who understand their pain and given a safe, supportive space to rediscover joy, connection, and courage. From archery, swimming, to rock walls, zip lines, and meaningful grief activities, every moment builds strength, resilience, and healing. Together, we create memories, honor who they've lost, and learn they are never alone. Registration opens in the spring and is required. Visit www.hospiceofnorthidaho.org/grief support, scan the QR code on the screen, or call 208-772-7994 for details. This camp is completely free for families thanks to generous community donors. To help a grieving child attend, visit hospiceofnorthidaho.org/donate. Want to make an even greater impact? Volunteer with us. Training begins each spring. Every laugh, every hug, every quiet moment by the fire, it becomes part of a new story, one that says, you are not alone. Camp Kaniksu, where healing is the adventure.